This is a quick video. Just out here relaxing. I wanted to do something a little different than usual. It's a beautiful day out here. And as I was out here, I was thinking about, I was talking to someone about rebuilding their credit. And it's something that you can do. You don't have to pay anyone. I have videos that I made about this, but you still have to reinforce this with anyone. And I'm sorry for the wind. This is very impromptu, but there's a lot of things that you can do where you can pull your credit reports, check your information if it's accurate, your addresses, all phone numbers. Make sure your social security number match, and if it's any discrepancies that's on there, you can easily fix it in TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. And if you have to do a dispute, I say you have something in collections, you can do it online, but I'm a firm believer in just sending it certified and sending a letter, having that sent certified, and let the clock tick. And if you don't receive anything in 30 days, then send a copy of what you sent to all 3 of the credit bureaus, to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and ask them if they can remove it. And I would say 9 times out of 10 they usually remove it off of your report. It's things that you can do yourself, and you can start off by getting a credit card from your bank, or obtain 2 secured cards if push come to shove. And I would say start with your bank, but to be very honest with you, and I'm not getting paid by them, but this is something I've done, but I had my own family members that have done this. There's a lot of products now compared to even 5, 6, 7 years ago, even 2 years ago. And you even have secured cards now that earn points, cash back. I would always say start off with at least one Capital One and a Discover secured card. And Capital One even have one where it's a Quicksilver, and you can earn 1.5% across the board. And you can have a Discover secured where you can change it, and it's still a secured card, from the 2% to a 5% rotating category. And in due time, with using those 2 products correctly, they'll unsecure it. And especially with Discover, you'll get a credit limit increase. Even with Capital One, you'll get a credit limit increase and get your money back into your accounts or by check. And you can do your research on there. You have Navy Federal Credit Union, you have US Bank that have the Cash Plus, and let's see, I believe it is another, you can go on their website, but I know that the Cash Plus, and there's another one from US Bank that they have, and this is very impromptu, the Go Altitude, I believe. But you can check on their website. I know I might be way off base, but this just quickly came to my mind while I was out here. There is a ton of new secured products, and even Bank of America, they have the cash rewards where you can just pay $49, and then they have a $200 tier, then they have the $500 tier, but they start you off with $49. They have Navy Federal Credit Union and rewards. You just deposit $200. You don't have to put anything else, just $200. Use it correctly. They check it after 6 months, and then they put that money back into your checking account, and they raise your credit limit up by $2,000. It'll be raised from $200 to $2,000, so $1,800 extra along with the $200. And you get your $200 back, and then you get the product change it. But I will also have other videos where I'll talk more about, product changing, things that I did where I didn't take a hit on my credit report. I haven't applied for anything for the last year and a half, and I did product changes, and I'll just even share it now. The first time I did a product change was Capital One. I had a Platinum. I product changed it to a Quicksilver, no-fee Quicksilver, by simply calling them. Then I had an American Express, Delta Gold. I called them, and I product changed it to an American Express Delta Sky Miles Platinum card. Then I changed my Navy Federal Credit Union cash rewards to another Go Rewards. And I had originally changed my Go Rewards to a flagship card. So those are just some things I just want to share with you. But I'm really into, me and Player 2 is going to be traveling this year. And the reason why, for instance, I got the American Express Delta Platinum Sky Miles card is because of what has happened in 2020, I have 2 companion certificates that I have to use before January of 2023. So we have to plan out some trips, and then I will earn another companion pass in November of this year. So before I even get to that threshold, start off with 2 cards. Everyone say, get Chase first, get Chase, or get whatever first. I always will say, one, apply with the bank that you bank with first. And if push come to shove, a Discover and a Capital One, start off from there. And then, check into Chase, Navy Federal, American Express, and so on, and U.S. Bank. A lot of people sleep on U.S. Bank, and they have a lot of good products. They're very inquiry sensitive, and they're very picky about who they approve. And also Wells Fargo, I know that there's a lot of, love-hate, but I was able to product change. I had a secured card with them, then it upgraded to a Platinum, and I had the Platinum for some years, and then I changed it to a cash earning card that they have, Visa Signature. So I'm very pleased with that. But like I said, this was a quick video, and I'm sorry to be rambling, but enjoy. Redesign, rebuild, reclaim.